Hi, good afternoon. I am back with a new video, a new car. This is a 2011 Skoda Superb 1.8 TSI Automatic, 68,000 kilometers done, and the insurance is also valid till January 2022. This is a black color, beautiful, majestic looking Skoda Superb. Comes with HID Xenon headlamps and HID fog lamps, an electric sunroof, electric seats, 10 airbags, ABS, alloy wheels, dual zone automatic climate control, memory seats, factory fitted leather seats, cruise control, steering mounted audio controls, and a lot of features that you get in Audi A4 or in an Audi A6. Now I am currently giving you a exterior walk around of the car. So as you can see, the car is absolutely beautiful, scratchless, maintained. Nice shiny paint on the car. It's really a big sedan. I mean, the rear legroom on this car is unmatchable. Even a 7 Series or a Mercedes S-Class would not have enough legroom in comparison to this. So there's a minor crack on the rear right side tail lamp, as you can see. Overall, the car looks really beautiful. The tires are good. I'll take you closer to the tires and you'll be able to see the tire condition as well. And then we'll go inside the car. I'll show you the interiors. We'll also take you for a spin, so you'll also be able to see how the car drives. So this is the exterior walk around. The headlamps are both clear, clean and original. And even the side mirror indicators are not damaged on this one. Most of the cars have them damaged. And these are about 65 to 70% of the grip on tires. So the tires are decent enough for another 20,000 kilometers to use. This one is missing because there's some issue with the central locking, which I'll be getting fixed. So we've removed that because as of now I'm using the manual key to open the car and close it. So once the central locking module is fixed, then that will come back in its place. Like, this is the interior of the vehicle. Leather finished dashboard with wooden trims on it, and there's a touchscreen infotainment system in the center. This is the steering wheel with automatic climate control and steering wheel with infotainment controls and music system controls and phone controls. There are paddle shifters too, since this is an automatic. So these are the paddle shifters. It's got automatic headlamps, automatic rain sensing wipers. Look at the door trims, they're absolutely clean and fit. No damages to the interiors of the car. These are the original factory fitted leather seats with electrical adjustments and memory settings. There's this armrest, that's again factory fitted leather armrest. You can see the quality of the seat, it's absolutely clean and minimal wear and tear on the seats. The roof lining is all original and clean. The sunroof is also there. This operates electrically. So currently the motor has been removed because it was working slow and making some noise. So we have removed the motor to get it serviced. That will also come back in place. So you will have a fantastic smooth sunroof on the vehicle. I'll now start the car. You can see the kilometers. This is 68,919 kilometers done. There's this airbag error that shows up there, so that just needs to be scanned. And there's this tire pressure sensor which is faulty, so that has to be replaced. Other than that, there are no malfunctions on the vehicle. I'll turn on the AC. It's sizzling hot in Bombay today. So the climate control is on. This is your gear joystick, so I've put it already on drive mode. I will now try keeping this still and straight and take you for a spin. So the car engine is already on, but it's so silent that you can't hear that the car is on. It's absolutely silent cabin. The noise insulation inside is great. This is a petrol turbo vehicle. Pretty powerful, in spite of being such a long vehicle. It feels really light and peppy to drive. I mean, you don't feel any kind of difficulty in taking it on higher speeds because it's quite stable. The gear shifting is absolutely smooth. You won't realize when the gear shifts. This is a 7-speed dual clutch gearbox. The DSG, famous for Volkswagen and Skoda. The car is available for inspection and test drive at Navi Mumbai, Nerul, Sector 19, plot number 37. You guys can reach me on 9768001006. The number is available for calls as well as for WhatsApp both. Overall experience of the car in terms of suspension, brakes, body, interiors, I would rate it 4 out of 5. There are minor knickknacks, but those are ought to be there. It's a used car, which I am getting fixed, like the airbag thing and the tire pressure monitor and the sunroof motor and the central locking. So these are minor things which are not working properly on the car, and we are getting it done. The engine, the transmission, the suspensions are absolutely flawless, and it's a fun to drive car. Feel free to call me on 9768001006. Do come down to Nerul, Navi Mumbai for a test drive. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.